Merhaba everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. In this episode, I want to share a very simple drink recipe that will amaze you with its color and taste. Our main ingredient is purple basil leaves. It has an aromatic kind of clove taste and beautiful purple color. I hope you have it around you. And with a small hint, we will let it give its color nicely to the sherbet. I have a half bunch of purple basil leaves that I washed and strained. I'm going to add to my karefe along with half cup of white sugar. We are going to add about 1 liter water in it. This is important. After your water is boiled, turn the heat and wait for 30 seconds to cool down the temperature a bit so the water won't burn the leaves. I'm going to add half lemon slices and half teaspoon citric acid. The small hint that I mentioned was citric acid. It helps the purple basil leaves give its color to the water. Just stir everything with the back of a wooden spoon and cover with a clean kitchen towel to brew. And that's it. After it is cooled down, you can drain the leaves if you want and put ice cubes, more cold water and serve after it is chilled completely. Because of the purple basil's unique taste, for this sherbet I prefer less sugar and I think it tolerates nicely, but if you want you can add more sugar too. I serve this to my guests on iftar menu. They like it so much that it got ahead of everything, I can say. I hope you try this simple, healthy and delicious drink throughout the summer. And as always, I hope to see you my friends in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.